When I get the money, she go call me honey. When the money finish, she go call me monkey. Me, I no mind it, I no best at all you. I let my life continue the way I want her to flow. You know, take my papa, mama, send message come from village. Say Basketmouth time, don't reach it, make you marry. I tell them, say, I never see my choice. Say, when I see my choice, I go bring her come. They say, you get the baby where they reserve for me. Say, the baby come from a very good family. I tell them, show, this one a new millennium. For new millennium, now we they make our choice. I begin the waka, I waka, so te attire. I waka from my village, I land for Zampara. When I reach Zampara, they nearly come out my hand. They say because I take I the look unyania. Say for their land it is against the law. I pass from the church in different parts of Nigeria. Now different kind of women they for this country. Now this is different women we want talk about too. You see, if na Igbo girls you want to marry, make you take time, watch out the marriage as it be. Because Igbo girls, them too, they like money. If they see money, now so their eyes go they shine. The thing go they shine like say na deep man touch. Halogen lamp cannot compete with the eye. Now only Igbo girls are see say for Nigeria. See say their eyes they penetrate pocket. Igbo girl only need to look at your pocket. She go tell you the exact amount when they inside. Take cover, no joy, take cover, no separate. If na lie, make una ask Igbo girls.
The vintage beats.
You see, if na Yoruba, their own dey different. Yoruba girls, their own system, I don't tire. Na so big or rubber, na in them they get. When they want waka, na serious struggle. You go see the Kebe, they struggle to die, they come back. Them go, they struggle to die, the Kebe go front. You know, say me, when they say I grow for barras, if we see that kind of Kebe, we go bend down, they sing. We go say 70, 18, 19, 70, 18, 19, rubber, 70, 18, 19. You see, that's the only thing where the best me about Yoruba girls. Some Yoruba girls, them too, they dirty. Now so their tete leg go they show. They go tie one rapper for over 2 weeks. If you make me say put the rapper for River Niger, all the fish where they for there go die finish. Don't be so. You see, but if na Calabar girls, they are all they different. Now for inside room, then they get the power. If they handle you, you go begin speaking tongues. You go confess Jesus Christ is Lord. Them get degree for sexuology. They be professors for archaeology. Irichi mathematics, they know they tire. Calabar girls, they are ever ready. Maybe na the dog meat where they chop. Maybe na the dog they give them extra power. Because if you jam dog and dog, they do the thing. You go to say Iraq and Iran, they fight. Now their names that in the sweet me pass. The kind names where Calabar girls they get to hear. Umbonobong, Itorobong, Ekambong, Etembong, Iriambong, Ekembong. They go the bong 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 bong. Yes, sir. But you see, if na Edo girls, their whole level different. Edo girls, they know they like to play local league. They like to play international league. Their own level now for outside Nigeria. They know they like to operate for Nigeria at all. Now only to they go overseas, go they do. Now for Italy, their corporate headquarters there. For that side, now in they make money come back. When they come back, they go come the post. If you see them, they talk, they go they shout it though. That is why anytime you meet them, those girls, they go hear them. They go they talk everything for so yeah. They go they do son, do man, do brother, do sister, do auntie, do uncle. They go they do.